Hanukkah was special because when I say we, I mean all the grandchildren, would line up by age. And my cousin Sherwin was the oldest, I was second. And we'd line up, and my grandfather would hand out silver dollars. And that was Hanukkah gelt, and he believed in that. In the stories about giving Hanukkah gelt, and he gave Hanukkah gelt. And I got a silver dollar on Hanukkah. I did say to him one day, Grandpa, I noticed that Sherwin got 2 silver dollars and everybody else only got 1. Why? And he said to me, look, he's the oldest. It has to be recognized. So he got 2 and everybody else got 1. And there were 13 of us, so it was not inexpensive for him to give out silver dollars.